How to get Prime membership in Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get a Prime membership in Amazon. In order to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice and then on the web address bar, type in www.amazon.com. You can also use the application if you're on your mobile device. Now right over here, in order to get started with, if you already have an Amazon account, then you can log in with that as well. In my case, I already have an Amazon account, so I'm just gonna direct you to this page or the Prime Video official webpage. So over here, you'll be provided with different alternatives. So as you can see, you can also start a free trial for 30 days, which means that you do not have to pay for anything. You can watch or enjoy Amazon Prime free for 30 days. But after 30 days, you'll have to pay a certain amount. Only then you'll be able to get a Prime Video membership. In order to get a Prime Video membership, you'll need to click on start your free 30-day trial, or else you can also choose your premium plan, whichever is convenient for you. So once you've started this, go through all of these above statements, and then you need to mark on this if you want it so, and you need to go to start your free trial period, or you can simply tap on no thanks. So let's go with a free trial period. So what you need to do is go to start your 30-day free trial period, which is right at the bottom. Click on it. So while you're trying to join a free trial period, you'll have to provide a credit card details. Otherwise, you'll not be able to enjoy a Prime Video membership. So if you're sure about it, then click on the start your 30-day free trial period, which is right at the bottom. Once you're directed to this page, go to your try bar icon. Go to try bar icon in the left hand side bar, go to Prime Video membership, and you can see all of these information. So in order to get started, click on get started, which is right at the bottom. This is gonna take you to the official web page. Over here you can see that I already have an account, so in my case I also have a free trial period. So click on this try bar, click on your profile icon, go to account settings. Under it, this is going to direct you to the account settings page, where you'll be asked to provide in the password associated with this particular account. Now type in the password. Now you'll be taken to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be provided with two different options. That is, you can either your information, or you can just get on with the Prime Video membership. So in order to add a payment method, you'll be able to see add payment method. In my case, I already have added a payment method, so I'm just gonna go and tap on the edit button to also update the information. So as you can see that the credit card has already been added. All you have to do is select the method of making a payment, and that is basically how you can get a subscription on Amazon Prime. So in this way you can get a Prime Video membership. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.